Hello, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we had the pleasure of cutting the ribbon for Waterway Music and Guitars and Education. Wonderful. How are y'all doing today?
We're fantastic.
I mean, this is such an exciting event. The energy in this room is amazing.
The drums definitely help boost that energy too. Kids playing drums will take you there.
Yes.
Please introduce yourselves.
Well, my name is Casey Samuel Townsend.
I'm Casey Lauren Townsend.
And
We're
again,
married.
the name of the business. And the name of the business again is?
Waterway Music and Education.
How did you all decide to open this shop?
Man, there's so many pieces to the story. The simplest version of it is that we wanted a place to work that the whole family was invited. And I've been teaching lessons for a better part of 20 years. And so we started pursuing a place where we could have lessons in public and have our own recitals. We started looking at how to actually sell instruments and supplies, and figured out that we could actually do it, and got very excited about it.
We felt like it was something that Southport Oak Island could really use in the area for kids and adults too.
And
We
adults.
actually have a lot of retired people who come and get lessons, and they're some of our greatest supporters.
Absolutely.
And I know you've got a music background.
Yes, ma'am. I have a degree in music, and but more importantly, I just love it.
And so you offer music education. You've got instruments.
Yes, we sell new and used instruments, all the supplies and accessories you might need, and we offer lessons, and we do a homeschool co-op for homeschool kids on Wednesday mornings. We do group classes. We do individual private lessons for guitar, bass, drums, piano, ukulele, violin, banjo, a little bit of everything.
And repairs, right?
And repairs.
Yeah, repairs.
And something that I'd like for the town to know is anytime that you buy your musical instrument gear or instruments themselves at Waterway, you're supporting a place to have really great programs like this. A place where parents can sit in the lobby and enjoy a cup of coffee quietly while their kids are getting some quality music lessons. So anytime you come and shop at Waterway, you're supporting something that's really great.
That's a good point to make. Where's your address? Where are you located?
We are at 4956 Long Beach Road, Unit 4, right between Tengu, the Japanese restaurant, and McDonald's. So there's no short supply of places to eat and hang out and have a good time.
And there's a couple exciting new businesses moving in right next door that you'll probably be hearing about soon.
That's great. And let's see, your website address?
Our website is waterwaymusicnc, as in North Carolina.com.
And your phone number?
Phone number is 910-386-6246.
Wonderful. And I know you've had a lot of help along the way with a lot of great people just supporting you, and shout out to all of those that have.
Yes, shout
Absolutely.
out to Old Bridge Chiropractic. Dr. Seth Del-Tesky has volunteered his time and resources. He's been amazing. Doug Osbury, who he supplies us with records. He owns a company called Big Love Vinyl, and he's also been mentoring us in the business world that we had never been part of before, opening our own store. Let's see, Jordan Curtis from Tecton Construction Company. He volunteered his time and his resources also to help us build the classrooms and lay the floor in the store. Who else do we want to thank?
Tony Alfano has brought in some of his handmade instruments. He builds guitars from scratch, and they're fantastic. Some of the best we've ever played.
That's great. Well, again, thank you for being in our business community. We wish you much success here at Waterway Music and Education.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we're going to walk through real quick so you can see all the fun stuff in here and see everybody having a grand time. So just come on out. Everybody should know a little bit of music. It brightens the mood.
We don't want. I'm holding this.
Well, they got real quiet all of a sudden. I don't know why. There we having fun. Doesn't matter what age. All right, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in today, and have a great weekend.